What's up, guys? I'm Nate with Wichita Homeworks, and we are out here in Mount Hope at our custom home build. And I don't know if you all remember still, but I'll flip you around here. We used to have a house standing that was built back in the 1900s, and we added on to that, and then we demolished the house and built new. So I'm gonna give you a walk around here. There's quite a bit of things that have happened since then. It's a little bit noisy, but we'll see what we can do. So most of the framing is complete, and we've got the roofers getting the roof on. Still waiting on a couple windows to get in. Got the house wrap on. We got temporary supports here on the front porch for the overhang. Those will be replaced with the more decorative supports. Nice covered porch on the front. Gonna be lots of nice room here on this covered porch. So got the egress window from the basement. And then on the back side here, we also have just a little area that's covered by the porch. And then once we're all finished, we're gonna backfill this and pour a nice big patio out here. So I'll take you in here through the back door. Alright, so this is going to be the living room space. We're marking out the fireplace here. We're going to be framing that in. Then we're going to have kitchen and an island back there. A nice walk-in pantry. And then this will be somewhat of a mud room, passing between the garage space. So once we're all finished here, we'll move all the plumbing and we'll get the concrete floor filled in all the way. And we've got laundry back here. So one thing we did here, nowadays refrigerators are getting so large that they stick out so far in the room. So what we've done is we've actually turned the studs so they're flat to give us about 1.5 to 2 inches of added depth for that refrigerator. So once we get the cabinets in on each side of that, then we can recess that refrigerator all the way back into that space. So then off of the kitchen, we got a hallway into what's going to be the hall bath in here. This is going to be, we're going to have some linen storage right up against this wall, and then a nice larger opening into the master bedroom. Got a couple bedrooms here. Then we're gonna have a Jack and Jill bathroom here. So from both of these bedrooms, you'll be able to access the bathroom here. And then a walk-in closet off of that. Now in this closet, in order to have the right headroom for the staircase, we had to build the floor up, but it still gives a nice space to have for, we can put some shelves, we can still do a closet rod, and there's still space here that can be used for storage. So not wait, and it's not too terrible deep that you could still reach back in here. So then through the master, nice big window out front. You're gonna walk into the master bath. You'll have a walk-in closet on each side. Then we're gonna have a his and her bathroom vanity on each side. You got your water closet here. And then we're gonna have a built-in linen closet here, as well as a walk-in shower. So this will all be shower space. We won't need a door. It's gonna be a nice big space. So if you remember on the outside, we've got that egress window from the basement. And in order to have the right room for a legal egress window, we actually had to bring the header to run across there up into the first floor here. And then what we did is we took the engineered straps, and it's holding up the 2 floor trusses that we have running through here. So plenty of support for everything, but we were able to still make that window work down there. So there's always different options for everything we come across. All right, so once we get framing, the roof all finished up, and we get the windows in, things should be what we consider dried in, meaning that they're weather tight and secured. So then we can move to the mechanical, electrical, plumbing. And then once we get all that taken care of, we'll move into insulation and then drywall, and things will start really looking like a house after that. So this has been a really unique project for us from the start, and we appreciate you guys following along with us. So if you guys come across any projects and you're looking to get an estimate on it, we'd be more than happy to talk with you and see what we can do to make it happen. So I hope you all have a good week, and we will see you next week.